Okay, it's the 3rd of January. It's a Friday evening around 7 o'clock. This will be posted around 7:30. I'm still suffering for this upper respiratory thing I got going on here, but hopefully I'll get over it over the weekend. Um, every so often I have to do this because it does take money to run this site, and I'm all by myself here, and to cover my time a little bit, but I don't make anything much on this. I mean, if you had to figure out what I make based on what I'm doing. It's just pennies. But I always ask for donations every so often, and I'm looking for donations here. These are the different ways that you can donate. It's not Pennsylvania Weather 3, Pocono Weather 360 anymore. It's weather-outlook.com. You join for the year. And the other ways are Cash App and Venmo and PayPal. You can donate that way too. I appreciate it. We're in my 10th year this year. I've been going with this thing, and any donations help offset what it takes me to do this thing. And again, really, I'm not making any kind of a profit on this, but I do ask for help when I'm doing this to make it a little bit easier. So, okay, so let's get to this storm. And we had some snow come through western PA, southern PA, down by here. We got a dusting, maybe half an inch of snow. A little bit more out towards western Pennsylvania. But that storm's pretty much gone by. So now we're talking about this one on Monday. And I hear everything from a nor'easter to the things jogging to the north, to jogging to the south, to jogging to the north. If you watch my video I did yesterday, I said you really won't know till Saturday the exact path. But I kind of gave you what my analogs tell me and everything. And remember, there's cold air coming in, and the cold air is dry. So it makes it hard for snow to move northward. So what happens is wherever it snows decently, and wherever it don't, there's a sharp cutoff. So that's what you need to keep in mind. The timing of this is basically Sunday evening. This is around 8 o'clock. It's starting to enter western PA. And then you can see 2 o'clock in the morning. Here's 7 a.m. It's in the big city of Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, down that way by 7 a.m. And then in the afternoon, we're out here around 5 o'clock, and it begins to exit the coast. This is around 2 o'clock in the morning, um, Tuesday morning, Monday night, Tuesday morning, and it's leaving Delaware and Jersey and heading out and going off. Now, how much we're going to get out of this? Okay, now this is what I'm looking at right now. You see how the sharp cutoff is here? It's because there's cold air up here, very dry, and it just doesn't allow the snow to progress north. It basically, I said, it's west to east kind of a storm, and that's kind of where it sits right now. Southern Jersey gets hit pretty good. Delaware, um, Virginia, Maryland here. Down here by Lancaster, get more snow than up here by Reading, and less as you go towards Allentown and the Poconos. So the areas that haven't had much snow this year get a pretty good snow. Philadelphia, I expect traffic to be snarled on Monday. Right now, 2 to 4, maybe 6 inches. The further south you go. Now this can move again. Today's Friday. I said you rightly won't know until Saturday afternoon, and I'm still sticking to that. But right now, this is kind of my best guesstimate. Now there'll be some sleet, there'll be some freezing rain involved with this. Let me show you how this works out in the long range here. This is going to be a crippling storm for a lot of cities. So now see, west to east, straight across. It's not coming out and then going up to the north and slowing down out here. It's going to come across and go straight out. Now, there's a lot of snow here. You got like Cincinnati and Columbus and in Indianapolis, and you got a lot of Louisville. You got a lot of these bigger cities in here that get snow. South of Pittsburgh, down here towards Baltimore, Wilmington, and Philadelphia. This is all going to be a little bit of a crippling storm, and there is ice on the other side of this. Okay, now this is your sleet. Look at this coming across. So you're going to have snow and sleet on top of this, a lot of sleet. So you got all kinds of things going on here. And then you've got your freezing rain coming across. It's just some hefty freezing rain to the south. So your snow's up here, your freezing rain to the south. This is bad news for the highways. I hope you're not heading down this way at all on Monday because it's going to be a bad day for traveling. But what I'm trying to say is you got all kinds of weather going to come right across the country here. And tomorrow, I'll say in the afternoon, I'm going to rebroadcast Let's see tomorrow what my schedule is. I'll probably put a video up on this early in the afternoon with my final thoughts, because then the storm will have exited the Rockies, and we'll have a pretty good idea whether this is going to jog at all. But right now, that's my call. So there, you got snow, sleet, freezing rain. You got a little bit of everything going on here. There's your snow as it comes across. Big cutoff to the north, so don't expect that. This is up here is what you've got from squalls. So technically the line would cut off a little further here. But this is what you got going on. Here's snow squalls up here again. Um, you take the snow squalls away from the lakes up here, and this is what you have from the storm. And as you can see, basically, um, I would say the Route 80 cut across here, and then maybe Route 78 later on here. Is kind of where the line of demarcation line would be for the snow. But again, won't know 100% till tomorrow afternoon where this is going to go. But this is my best ideas right now based on analogs, based on what I know. So what's is going on? All right. Once again, think about donating to help me out with this thing. Otherwise, I'll talk to you tomorrow and give you an update. All right, everybody, take care, be safe, and don't drive into this. Be safe.